everyone, this is Jenny Strebe with Confessions of a Hairstyles, and I am so thrilled because I have my personal esthetician here with me. Her name's Brianna, and she's with Healthy Skin AZ, so definitely check that out. Link's gonna be below. But she has this gorgeous, gorgeous curly hair, and I'm gonna show you ladies out there that have curly, thick hair, how to create a really nice romantic updo. Let's go and get started. All right, to start this look off, because her hair is so thick, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and section the front sections away for later, and then work the back section first. So I'm just taking a section from ear to ear, and what I'm gonna do is create a low ponytail, do a simple 3-strand braid, and then create a really nice low bun. This actually works out really well for anyone that has really thick, long hair, because sometimes when your hair is really long and thick, it's hard to like stay into place with doing a bun. But if you braid it before you apply a bun, it just keeps it intact a lot better, and it's not as heavy on the hair. Now what I'm going to go ahead and do is just take the braid and just wrap it around our elastic and secure it with bobby pins. Just because her hair is curly doesn't mean you ladies out there with straight hair can't achieve this look. Just add a few curls to it and you can get the same kind of feel. Okay, so now I'm gonna be working the sections in front of the ears. You can tell she has a lot of definition in her curls, and if you guys wanna know how she got that definition, definitely check out my how to style curly hair video, because I demonstrated how to get that really nice definition to the curl. So all I'm gonna do is take sections, and I'm just gonna slightly twist it a little bit so you can see the definition a little bit more, and I'm simply just gonna pin it into our low bun. I'm gonna take the ends of it and twist it and just wrap it around. And this is more visual. We're just creating a really nice, soft, romantic style. Now that I've gotten the right side complete, I'm just gonna go ahead and move to the other side and do the exact same technique. So you can see basically we're just stacking the curls on top of curls to create that really romantic style. All right, to finish this look off, all I'm gonna do is put a little bit of Shine Mist on it by Label M, and this is just gonna really help smooth the cuticle and just help any of those little flyaways and frizziness kind of lay down a little bit better for us. All right, so there you guys have it, a really nice, low romantic style utilizing curly hair, and it's perfect because if you have really thick curly hair, a braided bun will definitely keep your hair nice and intact. So for more hair love every single week, please feel free to follow me on Instagram at The Confessions of Hairstyles and subscribe to my channel. All right, so there you ladies have it, a really nice romantic style. All right, so there you ladies have it, a really gorgeous romantic style for all you gals. All right, so there you ladies out there. All right.